Hello everyone. Today we are going to do lesson number 1 explanation of Flambeau part 4. This book is meant for class 8. In this chapter we'll talk about the car and its brands etc. The lesson name is Quelle marque est ta voiture? Quelle marque est ta voiture means which brand is your car, or your car is of which brand, you can say like this. So let's go with the translation first. Maria, salut Paul, hello Paul. Quelle surprise, what a surprise. Paul is saying, salut Maria, hello Maria, comment ça va, how are you? Maria is saying, ça va, fine. Qu'est-ce que tu fais ici? What are you doing here? Paul is saying, moi, je viens au garage pour acheter une nouvelle voiture. Me, I just came to the garage, to the showroom of the car pour acheter, to buy une nouvelle voiture, a new car. Et toi and you? Marie is saying, je travaille dans son magasin. I work in this shop. Quelle est la marque de ta voiture? What is the brand of your car? Paul is saying, je viens d'acheter une Citroën. I just bought a Citroën. Marie is saying, c'est une voiture légère. This is a light car qui consomme peu d'essence, which consumes less fuel. Paul is saying, et cette petite voiture est capable de transporter beaucoup de bagages. And this small car is capable of carrying lot of baggage in the sense lot of luggage. Elle est facile à conduire et à réparer, and it is easy to drive and to get it repaired. Mon père vient aussi d'acheter une Citroën. My father also bought a Citroën. Quel modèle? Which model? Une C4, a C4. Moi aussi, me too. Je prends le dernier modèle. I'm taking the latest model. Then Marie is saying, c'est un bon choix. It is a good choice. Bonne chance. All the best. Merci. Thank you. Au revoir. Bye. Au revoir. Bye. So this is the translation of the text. And now we'll do the questions based upon the translations. Right? Let's go for it. So the first question is asking, pourquoi Paul va-t-il au garage? Right? So pourquoi is why. Paul va-t-il au garage? Paul goes to the garage. So shop of the cars. Paul va au garage. Paul goes to the garage pour acheter une nouvelle voiture. So why does he go? He goes to buy a new car. Question number 2. Est-ce que Maria est aussi venue pour acheter une nouvelle voiture? Non, Maria n'est pas venue pour acheter. No, Maria has not come to buy, but she works there. Elle travaille là. She works there. Quel modèle a la père de Maria? Which model does the father of Maria have? Le père de Maria a une Citroën C4. The father of Maria has Citroën C4. Que savez-vous de Citroën? What do you know about Citroën? Citroën est une petite voiture. Citroën is a small car capable of transporting beaucoup de bagages, lot of luggage. Qu'est-ce que la C4? What is C4? La C4 est un modèle de Citroën. C4 is a model of Citroën car. Right? Now let's see some question. Fill in the blanks. Complète avec un mot de texte. Complete with the words from the text. Il y a, you can say, beaucoup d'étudiants dans la classe, peu d'étudiants dans la classe. Both are correct. Sophie est capable. Capable means capable. Sophie is capable de parler 3 langues, to speak 3 languages. Question number 3. Nous allons, we are going au magasin, to the shop, the vêtements, the clothes shop. Fourth, le français, the French, c'est une langue facile. It is an easy language. Dans ma voiture, in my car, il n'y a pas d'essence. In my car, there is no fuel. Essence means fuel. Right? So this is the activity. These are the 2 activities. Activity 1 number 1 and activity number 2. We have done it. Let's move on to the next. Next one we have is this activity number 3, which is a dialogue. Let's read it. Tu demandes à ton ami, you ask your friend, ce qu'il est là. Ce qu'il est là means what he or she has comme voiture, as car. Right? Tu demandes, you ask your friend, ce qu'il, elle, ce qu'il, elle. So what he has or what she has. Ce qu'il a, ce qu'elle a. You have to speak like this. So il for boy, elle for girl. A comme une voiture, has as a car. Compose le dialogue, you have to write the dialogue. So you can take any two names and you can start the dialogue writing. Priya and Mohan have taken. So qu'est-ce que tu as comme voiture? What do you have as a car? Mohan is saying j'ai I-20. I have I-20 et toi and you. Then Priya is saying c'est bien, it's good. Moi, me. J'ai Octavio de Skoda. I have Octavio of Skoda brand. Skoda as a company. Mohan, tu as le dernier modèle? Do you have the latest model? Priya is saying oui, yes. Nous venons acheter cette voiture. We just bought this car. This is passé récent here. Venons d'acheter. So it means just did something. So venons d'acheter. Acheter means to buy. So just bought this car. Mohan is saying bon, good. Or wa, buy. And buy, right? So this is dialogue composition. You have to write. Activity number 4. Let's discuss about it. Activity number 4 is tu veux louer ta maison. You want to rent your house. Observe l'annonce. Observe the advertisement given over here. This is the advertisement. We call it l'annonce. AP and then écris une petite annonce. Write a small advertisement pour ta maison, for your house. You have to sell your house. How will you put it? I mean, you have to rent your house. How will you put it on rent? À louer means to let. And see, maison, house. 5 pièces, 5 rooms. Centre-ville, downtown. 2 étages, 2 floors. Avec mezzanine, with mezzanine. Et 2 salles de bain and 2 bathrooms. Loyer, rent is 570 euro per month. Should be written per month also. You can write par mois. Contacter, to contact. Contact person number 02 46 93 et 87. This is the contact number you can contact for the rent, right? Now let's move ahead for the next. In this chapter, students, we have to study about passé récent. Passé récent, what is the formation of passé récent? To form passé récent, we have to remember venir verb, crucial verb, venir plus the plus infinitive. This is the construction. In activity number 5, it is conjugué, c'est verb passé récent. It's written passé récent. Passé récent stands for something which has just happened. Is passé récent. Let's check. So, je is subject pronoun. It's already given to you. And venir verb you have to conjugate according to je. Je viens, V-I-N-S. Je viens. The is the compulsory word. You have to write it. And then you have to write the infinitive verb, infinitive form the verb which is given over here. This is infinitive. The form which is not conjugated is called infinitive form of the verb. So here the verb is not conjugated, so it's infinitive. Je viens de prendre. I just took mon dîner, my dinner. Elle vient d'acheter. So venir verb according to elle, vient t. Vient d'acheter. She just bought une nouvelle maison, a new house. Vous venez de regarder. You just watched a bon film, a good movie. Les enfants viennent de manger. It's written viennent because les enfants, third person plural number. We have to write according to ILS. Les enfants means ILS indirectly. So viennent, then de, then manger, infinitive. As I said earlier, in the bracket, all the forms of the verbs are given. That is infinitive. Viens de manger. Des bonbons, candies. Tu viens de boire. You just drank. Du lait, milk. Next. Nous. So it should be veno, V-E-N-O-N-S. And it's a negative, so you have to write with no. So nous ne venons pas de rencontrer. We just didn't meet an ami, a friend, right? Venons, ne venons pas. So you have to add ne before venir verb and pas just after venir verb. Rest of the construction will carry on same way. Let's do activity number 6 now, students. Let's go over here. Activity 6. Réponds comme dans exemple. Answer as given in the example. As in the example. So what is the example? Tu finis ton devoir? Are you finishing your work? Oui, je viens de finir mon devoir. Yes, I just finished my work. So same way you have to make all the questions. Let's see. First one. Elle mange son repas. Is she eating her meal? Oui. Elle vient de manger. Yes, she just ate son repas, her meal. Est-ce qu'il prend la casquette noire? Is he taking the black cap? Casquette means cap. Noir is black. Oui, il vient de prendre la casquette noire. Yes, he just took the black cap. Question number 3. Achète-t-il une voiture? Are they buying a car? Oui, il vient d'acheter une voiture. Yes, they just bought a car. Next, question number 4. Tu vends ta Citroën? Are you selling your Citroën? Oui, yes. Je viens de vendre ma Citroën. I just sold my Citroën. Question number 5. Vous apprenez votre leçon? Are you learning a lesson? Oui. Should not be Q. Should be we. OUI. Oui. Je viens d'apprendre. And should be D apostrophe. Should be T apostrophe. Je viens d'apprendre ma leçon. I just learnt my lesson. Right? If it is occurring in front of a vowel, instead of DE, you have to write D apostrophe. So these were the two exercises based on passé leçon. Now let's check what is there. This is activity number 7. For activity number 7, what we have to do is this. Right? Mais ces phrases passé leçon. Put the sentences in passé leçon, and this is for pronominal verbs. Je me lève. I get up. That means, how do we do it? Je viens de me lever. So, je, same subject noun, one verb conjugation. Then the, like one plus the, plus infinitive, you'll be writing because pronominal verbs. So, you have to write according to je, me. And then lave, it will be infinitive as love, L-V-E-R. Question number 2. Elle se réveille. So, elle vient de se réveiller. Here it was me, here it is se. Why? Because elle, so se, and here it is je, then me. ER, it will be there because infinitive, it will be se réveiller, like this. Infinitive form, the verb in pronominal. Nous couchons. So, nous venons de nous coucher. So, nous, it is becoming nous here because je, me, tu, te, il se, elle se, nous, vous, il se, elle se, like that. Question number 4. Tu te promènes. So, tu viens de promener. Tu viens de te promener. So, tu te. Vous ne vous dépêchez pas. So, vous ne venez pas vous dépêcher. So, you have to write ne and pas before venir verb. So, vous ne venez pas, venir here. Now before it, pas after it. And vous, it is becoming because we are writing for vous. And dépêcher, EZ, will be changed to ER because it is from ER ending verb. It has taken EZ, ER ending verb conjugation. Question number 6. Elle ne se maquille pas. They are not getting makeup done. They are not putting up makeup. So it should be elle ne vient pas because we have to write L plus one verb conjugation, no before it, power after it, and se maquille because L takes so itself. Se maquille. Right? Now, let's go ahead. There are some car brands written. Les marques françaises, the French brands. Il y a trois grandes marques françaises. There are three big French brands of the car. Citroën, Peugeot et Renault. Mais les Français ne parlent pas d'une Peugeot. But the French do not talk about Peugeot, d'une Renault, about a Renault, etc. Ils parlent, they talk, de leur AX, de leur R5, de leur 205, de leur 309, etc. So this style they talk about, right? About their brands and models. Here are some questions based on these informations. Nomme quelques marques françaises. Name some French brands. So quelques marques françaises sont, you can take it from here, Citroën C, Citroën Weather, right? Marque, you can write in Citroën, Peugeot et Renault, right? Nomme quelques marques de ton pays. So your country, Maruti, Tata, Mahindra, these are your brands, Indian brands of the car. Quelle marque préfères-tu? Which brand do you prefer? Je préfère Maruti. You can write any brand and search which you like. Nomme quelques modèles de Citroën. Name some models of Citroën. 2CV, C4, AX, C6. So you can see AX, Citroën 2CV, 23, Citroën C6, and Citroën C, etc. So these are the models of Citroën, right? Let's move ahead for the next. And the last activity which we are supposed to do is this, right? So let's do this activity. It is all about mettre les verbes au passé récent. Put these verbs in passé récent. How to change into passé récent. Je déjeune à midi. So here the infinitive is not given. You have to find it. Je déjeune. Déjeuner verb is hidden as infinitive. Let's check it. So you have to write je viens de déjeuner à midi. So I have taken out déjeuner and that will be my infinitive in the sentence. Ma femme regarde la télé. Ma femme vient de regarder because venir plus de plus infinitive. Ma femme vient de regarder la télé. You can write afterwards. Les enfants travaillent de 9h30 à 12h30. Les enfants viennent should be double NENT. Please do the correction here. De travailler and de 9h30 à 12h30. Question number 4. Vous vous couchez tard. So vous venez de vous coucher tard. So vous, paneer verb conjugation, the, then infinitive form of se coucher. So it will be coucher er for sure. But before that, you have to change so according to vous. Vous couchez. Il accompagne ses enfants à l'école. Il vient d'accompagner ses enfants à l'école. Nous faisons les courses. We are doing shopping. Nous venons de faire les courses. Elle s'habille vite. Elle vient de s'habiller vite. So she is dressing fast. She just dressed up fast. Je me rage le soir. Right? So it will be je viens de me rager le soir. Il conduit son taxi toute la nuit. He drives his taxi all through the night. Throughout the night. So it will be il vient de conduire. So here conduire verb you have to find it is RE ending verb. Conduire. CONDUIRE. Son taxi. Tu te laves. Most of them are ER ending verb, but some you can find REO as well. So this one is here RE ending verb. Tu te laves. So tu viens de te laver. Laver should be A here. Please do the corrections. 11. Elle me demande où est le marché. So elle vient de me demander où est le marché. You can write this part. L'avion arrive. L'avion vient d'arriver. Nous étudions. Nous venons d'étudier. Rest part will remain same. Mes parents regardent. Mes parents viennent de regarder. Ma soeur joue. Ma soeur vient de jouer. So even here, mes parents is plural, so you have to write VIE, T. It was written by mistake. Maybe the question was different that time. Okay, so it is VIE, T. You have to write there. And this is done. The exercise based on passé récent. I just reiterate the point. Passé récent is recent past. That means an action which you have just completed. It is done with the formation venir plus the plus infinitive, and then we do the conjugation of venir verb. Conjugation of venir verb is important while doing the passé récent. Okay, so that's all c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci. Au revoir.